Today we're firing up our Lone Star Grillz offset smoker for a juicy, flavor-packed smoked chicken made with a homemade compound butter rub. It's simple, rustic, and the results are amazing. Begin with 1 stick of partially melted unsalted butter. Add 1.5 teaspoons of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of sage. Mix well to combine and then set aside. This is the perfect time to set up our offset for today's cook. Get your fire lit and dial in those temperatures to run between 250 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And a quick pro tip, if you didn't already know, we recommend running your exhaust vent 100% open and your intake vent a minimum of 50% open at all times. It's best to allow your smoker to breathe to produce clean smoke and just control the temperatures with the amount of splits you feed the fire. It's now time to prepare our chicken. To promote faster cook times and even cooking, we're going to go with the Spatchcock method. Begin by using your hands to identify the backbone area, then grab yourself a set of kitchen shears and work your way up each side. This is very easy to do, so just take your time. And don't forget that backbone is great for chicken stock. Once the backbone is removed, make a small incision in the breastbone to make this bird easier to flatten, then flip it over and apply pressure to the breast area until it flattens. Now flip over once again, pat dry with a paper towel, and cover generously with our compound butter. Then we're going to hit this up with a coat of our LSG Texas Fusion. Once again, flip over, pat it dry with a paper towel, cover it generously with our compound butter, and some more LSG Texas Fusion. After a few minutes, place the chicken on the cooking grate, close the lid, and allow it to soak up some beautiful smoke. Our chicken weighed in at right around 6 pounds, and this cook will take about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. But you should start taking temperatures after about 2 hours. Once your chicken hits about 160 to 162 degrees Fahrenheit in the deepest, coolest part of the breast, it's time to remove and rest for just a few minutes. Now you can carve and serve. And just take a look at these results. And that herb butter flavor soaks all the way down through the whole chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like information on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.